Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So, still really no structure worth writing home about at the moment for me. This is just leaning towards we're in a downward trend. You should be looking to short right now. Look at the oscillators here separating, and look how we are struggling in this area. So, if I just do this, you'll see bear flag, strong move down, sideways for a week, second half, week and a half at the moment, and we still got no direction really. So we are drifting higher, but below the 150 still. Look at my oscillators group to the upside. This is really looking suspect to me. Not something that I want to be chasing long at the moment. This 107.245 is clearly the area we're aiming for. There's a little bit of a juicy pin bar just above that. In fact, there's another pin bar there. So the upper end of that is going to be 1073.11. Now, if you drop down to the hour, there is absolutely no ways you would have got this right yesterday. Well, I wouldn't have. Anyway, there's just nothing there that no break and retest that's acceptable to me. And when you get massive bars like this, when you look at the previous days, more measured bars, and then all of a sudden you get this kind of chaos, obviously based on some noise and data, it's very difficult to get those trades right. So multiple ways of looking at this. On the 1 hour, we've got a crossover all the moving averages, and there is a merit for thinking that we should be looking for a move to the upside. But on the higher time frames, that's a different picture. And then look at my oscillators group to the upside here as well. So I'd be very reluctant to be jumping in long up here. And the only other way that I can see this, to be honest, would be down. Maybe that's a bit low, but somewhere in the region of 106.534. That would be bottom of channel, which would be a decent area, but then that's below the moving averages again, which I don't like doing. So for me, I don't like what happened yesterday. Look at this gap, pull back, close the one, left the one open, another single bar, and then sideways. I really don't like the structure at all. So I am sitting quietly on the sides on Forex still. Definitely don't want to get involved in this just yet. I think there are more than enough opportunities on the indexes at the moment, which will make you some decent money, and they're better opportunities. This to me has got a bit of work to do, and I want some structure coming into this before starting to try to figure this out. But this spike and channel could be a flag. I'd want the pullback, and I'd want the structure to build that we can see it on all time frames and then get moving. For me at the moment, this is not something I'm very excited about. So we will sit back and just wait for better days, unfortunately. Anyway, hope that helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.